Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and OS, because options differ by FunTouch versus Origin OS. Once done, back up current lock screen theme and grant the theme's app permissions. This prevents data loss. Then open Settings, go to Wallpaper and Lock Screen, or launch the theme's app directly and locate Lock Screen or Clock Style. You do this now so you can access clock fonts and styles immediately. Make sure your phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi for downloads. You next pick the clock or font option. Tap Lock Screen right arrow Clock Style or open Themes and select Fonts. Once there, choose a built-in font or download a new one. You'll see a live preview. Use it to adjust size, color, and alignment so the time remains readable. Make sure to check both Portrait and Always on Preview if available. When satisfied, tap Apply. This step customizes the numerals and style and explains why readability, contrast, and size matter for quick glances. You finish by applying the change, locking the phone, and verifying the new time font on the lock screen. That confirms success. If the font doesn't appear, reboot the device and reopen Themes. Sometimes a cache flush is required, so clear Themes app cache in Settings right arrow Apps. Make sure the theme app has storage and overlay permissions, and install any pending system updates. If problems continue, reinstall the theme or font. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.